Cloves, commonly known as long, have been used in Indian cuisine for centuries, and no Indian kitchen is complete without them. This spice is prized not only for its fragrant and flavorful aroma, but also for its medicinal and healing properties. The health benefits of cloves, which are rich in antioxidants, should be taken advantage of on a daily basis. One way to incorporate cloves into your diet is through clove tea. Tea is an essential part of our lives, and nothing gets the day started like a nice cup of tea. In today's video, we're going to explore the immense and unparalleled benefits of drinking clove tea, which has numerous undiscovered health advantages, ranging from revitalizing your senses to serving as a natural disinfectant. Syzygium aromaticum, a tree in the Myrtaceae family, produces cloves as its aromatic flower buds. They originate from Indonesia's Maluku Islands and are commonly used as a spice, taste, or aroma in consumer items like toothpaste, soaps, and cosmetics. The chemical eugenol, which gives clove bud oil its powerful and acidic flavor, is present in amounts of 80 to 90%. Cloves have a great nutritional advantage as a spice. 1 teaspoon of ground cloves includes 3% of the recommended daily intake of vitamin C, 4% of vitamin K, 30% of manganese, and trace amounts of calcium, magnesium, and vitamin E. Cloves contain many anti-inflammatory ingredients that help to reduce gum swelling. Gargling warm tea can help relieve toothaches and gum pain. To get rid of infections and experience prompt relief from sinus pain, sip on a cup of warm clove tea, especially in the morning. Clove tea is a nutrient-rich beverage because it contains high levels of magnesium and abundant amounts of vitamin E and vitamin K. Cloves may help those who have diabetes or prediabetes by helping lower blood sugar levels before and after meals. A cup of clove tea before a meal helps increase saliva production and blood flow, which aids in food digestion.